Alright guys, so I'm back on the Banshee Swap Grom and I got a lot of mods for it. In this video, we're going to be installing a steering stabilizer to fix the very light front end, and we're also going to be upgrading the front suspension and basically making it handle like an R6. For those of you that didn't see, I did take this thing up north and I put a bunch of studs in the tires and now they have 300 holes in them.
Hold on. You said what? Too much snow?
Yeah. I guess for now we're going to take these wheels off, see what the tire shop has to say, and start building this thing up. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen these while right, here they are. So I'm installing some heavier fork springs because the stock Groms are very soft from factory. So it'll help eliminate brake dive, and then also I'm installing some valving emulators. I'm not sure what those are called, but they're gonna help with compression and rebound. Okay, after 30 minutes of struggling, I think we finally got it. So I got my stiff boy springs installed and I actually messed up one of the seals. So I had to order seals and wait for those, but I got new seals in and these things should be much better. Now we're gonna go ahead and mount them on the Grom. Here are the tires I chose. These are basically street legal slicks, and the one thing that has me worried about these tires is that they're only rated for 63 miles per hour, which this Grom can do double that. So a little bit worrisome, but I don't know, these will probably be just dedicated for the track only. Here I'm installing some premium stainless steel braided brake lines to improve the braking feel, and so many people have commented to upgrade my front brakes, and guys, this is already a big brake kit. This is as big of brakes as you can get for the Grom. So I'm getting rid of these stock bushings and replacing them with these bronze inserts, which according to the forums is a great mod to do. So I'm finally installing a steering stabilizer, and I paid a little bit extra for the quality on this one, and I just basically drilled a hole in my lower triple clamp and tapped it, and then I'm welding a tab on the frame. Alright, so I got my steering stabilizer mounted, and now I'm gonna go ahead and install these carbon fiber fairings. Finally, I've had these sitting for a few months now, and they are nice. So after I put these on, I can't do any more wheelies. I gotta be a civilized person. I mean, these were expensive. Alright, so initial impressions on the quality. The quality is good, but the fitment is pretty bad. I guess because every Grom is a little bit different. Okay. Hey, yeah, that fits up pretty good. That looks incredible, dude. I'm so stoked. Guys, I'm surprised that actually fit. What the heck? Every single panel I have to do that too. But the look.
No, don't put a sticker on it. Keep it plain.
Yeah, you're probably right. Basically doesn't even look like I touched it. Alright, so I'm here in Mexico and the bike is looking amazing. I still have to figure out the headlight situation because I want this thing to be a street bike, but I'm just gonna give it a rip and see if these mods paid off. Holy crap, guys, this thing is ridiculously fun. And one thing I didn't actually tell you guys is I did change the gearing. I made the rear sprocket bigger, and man, it freaking pulls, dude. Right now I can hear that it's running a little bit lead on the top end, so I'm not getting the full power. The front suspension feels amazing. It's no longer bottoming out, no longer doing any wobbles. It's so nice, but of course we're not on a track, so I can't really tell. I'm sure we'll still have to tune it with different fork oils, different weights of fluid, and we're gonna have to tune the rear suspension as well to find the perfect balance for the track. But I'm just so stoked. Guys, I'm really happy with where this Grom is going. It's literally turning into my dream bike. And if you want to do these upgrades for yourself, check out MNNTHBX. They got all kinds of parts for mini bikes, pit bikes. With that being said, guys, I want to wish you a happy New Year's, and I got some big stuff coming in 2023. So every New Year's video, I like to look back and reflect on what I did that year. And a lot of YouTubers are throwing montages together, and you know, I was thinking about doing one, but you know, just looking back, I didn't really do any epic stuff worthy of a montage. So hopefully that will change in 2023. I mean, obviously besides the C-Boys collab, that was big, but doing these long drawn out builds that take too much time, too much money. So maybe 2023 I can actually finish projects and start having more fun. So I'm looking forward to that, guys. But that being said, Super excited. I'll have to catch you in the next one. Peace.